Hey everybody, Prepper Nurse 1 here once again. Still at Walmart, but this is going to be another video showing you $10 a week budget to get stocked up. Okay, so we're going to do a little price comparison here. Now I could get Quaker Oats, the name brand. It's $5.68, right, for that container. Or I can come down here and get the great value Quick Oats, same exact thing. Basically, it's oatmeal is what you're looking for. $3.98. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to grab one of these. So there's $3.98. We're going to call it $4 just to round that up. So there is that. Okay. What we're looking for. So what the different stuff that I'm buying. Why am I buying what I'm buying? What I'm looking at with oatmeal, okay, so let's look on the back of here, right? Amount per serving, 150 calories, about 30 servings in a container. So let's say you double that up, right? You did three, serving size is half a cup. So let's say you decided to have a whole cup, right? Because you're working more, you're hungry, you want to make sure you have a good meal. There's 15 meals for breakfast, if you will. Just with this oatmeal, it's going to give you 300 calories, and it is a very good thing to have, and it's filling, that's one of the things that we're looking for. We're looking for filling. Now, the other thing we're going to add with this today, staying on a breakfast theme, we're going to come over here, and once again, we're looking at pancake mix. All right, so again, so here's the other thing to think about. With our oatmeal, what do we got to have? Hot water. That's it. Heat it up with hot water, and there you go. Now, obviously, I personally like to have brown sugar with my oatmeal, but if it's an SHTF situation and you don't have that brown sugar available, or you haven't splurged and bought that as part of your preps, then you know, that's okay. So we got $4 investment into our Quick Oats. And now we're going to go with our pancakes. All right. So what we're looking at here, I believe the bigger box is $4.98. So there is 5 pounds of pancake mix. So let's see what we need to make pancake mix, right? You need, if you're making 5 to 7 pancakes, 2/3 of a cup of water. So again, what we're doing is we're trying to make easy, cheap meals that you don't have to have a tremendous amount of, tremendous amount of other preps to put into it to make a meal. So here we got it's 100 or 210 calories per serving. There's 39 servings in a container. Serving size is about a half a cup, right? So one full cup is going to make 5 to 7 pancakes. So if you're doing a whole lot of working, again, let's cut that in half. Instead of 39 servings, we'll call it 20 servings. But there's 20 breakfasts right there. We got $5 into there. We have $4 into our oatmeal. We got 2 meals. So let's go down. We're going to take a look at what the brown sugar is going to cost. Just out of curiosity, because we have $1 left on this one, but we also, if you guys remember, we got more left over from the last time. Oh, brown sugar's over here. From the last time, maybe we can. Okay, so we have dark brown sugar and light brown sugar. It is $3, right? And that is 2 pounds of that. So I think what we're going to do, we have $1 left over from this time. We probably got, I'm trying to think, we had probably $1.70 left over, I believe, from the other two. So that would be like $2.70. So we're going to go ahead and splurge on that. And this is more of a treat that you can put in with your oatmeal, right? And you can actually have the brown sugar is just a sugar rush snack, if you want to call it that. So we're going to go ahead and get that as well. And we're going to be using our excess money from the other 2 times. And what I do when I check out here, I'm going to put these 3 together. These were the ones that I had done in the first video today. and we're going to put those together. And basically, this is going to be, you know, this is 3 weeks with what we've done with the dollar store, right? Or 4 weeks, because this would be, I did another video actually earlier today as well already, trying to kind of show you guys how we're going to do this, what way it's going to be done, and stuff like that. So we're going to save it. We've saved the receipt. We're going to show you guys that. And so as we do this, you'll get an idea. So basically what I'm going to be showing you all together, and it's going to be in an upcoming video in this series, of all 4 weeks of $10 a week preps that we're doing. And we're showing you this, how can you do this on a budget, get halfway decent, substantial meals that you could eat that's going to keep you alive relatively cheaply. All right, what we have here, guys, with just these here, and not even counting the brown sugar, okay, just with these two here, that's $9. That's over 20 days if you double the portion size. If you're not doubling the portion size, you're looking, you know, at 39 days on one and 40 days on the other for meals. And so, you know, if you are in a worst case scenario and you're trying to stretch stuff out, that's a great way to do that. Not only anybody that's eaten pancakes knows, very filling. Oatmeal, also very filling. So as my grandfather used to say to me when I was a kid, eat your oatmeal, it'll stick to your ribs. And it's a very filling meal. It's a very good meal. And so this is what we're going to be having with that. And again, getting enough stuff so you're trying to get your proteins, your fats. That's what the peanut butter was for from the last video, is you want to be able to get your fats in there as well. What you're looking at here with the pancake mix and the oatmeal, you're looking at filling meal, a lot of protein, give you energy. Sugar is just a little bit of an extra treat. And so that's what we're going to go with that. All right. So anyway, so this is going to be, like I said, this is going to be an ongoing series. And we are going to, and see the cool thing too now with the brown sugar, right? As we continue to add to our preps, now we're going to have a 2-pound bag of brown sugar. Obviously, you're not going to use all 2 pounds with your oatmeal. So you could have it for other uses as well in a longer term type of a situation. So hopefully these are helping. I hope they help. This is, you know, this is what this series is meant to do, is to show you how, on a very tight budget, different things that you can get that's going to be able to stretch you out and get you longer term in an SHTF situation, and still be able to feel good and go, hey, you know what, I got quite a bit of preps and I did it. You know, we're going to be doing a 1-month total video. That one will be coming up here, guys. And I'm going to, just like I said, we're going to go over things and we're going to talk about things. I'm not just going to get stuff and prep, you know, say, okay, get this and this, you know. We're going to go over, okay, what do we have? What do we have after 1 week? What do we have after 2 weeks? What do we have after 3 weeks? What do we have after 4 weeks? So this is going to be an ongoing series. I'm going to throw it all together in a series on YouTube and kind of show people that, yeah, you know what? You can prep on the cheap, not a whole lot of money, and I will show you how quickly things can add up. All right? So anyway, guys, remember, we are all in this together. We are one race called the human race. As soon as we can figure that one out, we truly will be in much better shape. Also, remember to hug and kiss the ones that you love. Tell them every single day, tomorrow is not guaranteed. We never know what's going to happen in life. So it's really important that we do that. And so just, you know, like I said, tell them every day how you feel. Last but not least, STD, step, thing, and day. One step at a time, one thing at a time, and one day at a time. Whatever you are trying to accomplish, whatever you are trying to do, you can do it. The only one that's going to stop you from achieving that goal is you. That's it, nobody else. Stay positive, stay away from the negativity, and you're going to be just fine. All right? I hope y'all have a great day, and I will talk to you later. Prepper Nurse 1, out for now.